that felt good. All right, so there we are. Next step will be to get it up there, get it under the trim there. I can drop that. I'll be able to drop that tarp down, get that sucker out of there. All right. Okay, here we are. These screws out. That's right. I got copyrighted music in the background going on here. Okay, let's see. Alrighty. Oh man. Oh, I need my Sawzall because I gotta zip this off. It's gotta be flush so this thing can pull it over the top. Ugh, a complication. Okay, back down again. Getting ready to freaking rain again, I think. Definitely threatening. Oh man, I got my ears as loud as a son of a gun too. Woo! Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's carry that. Okay, who the heck's calling me? Don't know ya. Okay. Okay, so how far back should this go? Oh, I lost it. Wind came in, took it away. All right. Slide. We slide right underneath here. Maybe. There we go. I'll get under there. What's my problem? There we go. That's exactly what its problem was. Back. Right it back and flush. Flush down, dude. Beautiful. What happened? There. Alright, let's see. Got a little bit of rain. Beautiful, dude. Yeah. I'm getting a little bit. You break off. Problem is, you got hardwood under here. You go into hardwood, man. It's just like it says, it's freaking hardwood. Okay. Last one up here, dude. Sweet. And then I'll be bending that over. Okay. Okay, so yeah. I'm gonna need a shorter one here. I didn't measure. Right Takes care of that, dude. I like that. I guess I can use the Sawzall to come across. We'll just use what I got left. Where's my tape? We're gonna want that. Zip that. You guys following me? Yeah. Okay, let me measure that. I need a 2-inch gap. Overlap here. And you're just gonna measure same length as that. Give me a 2 foot. Okay, 9 feet. Beautiful. Okay, 9 feet. As you can see, my roof up here is getting really bad. I gotta get that done too once I order this next batch of metal. Ready. Alright. Now I can put this on the table. Put it right on the table. And zip it off. I think I got enough. Should be enough left, I think. Okay. Nine feet. And 10 feet. No. 9.5. Glasses. Ears. Hopefully that's all the way up. As I can get it. Maybe that'll be enough. Yeah, no problem here. Just going up over the. Beautiful. Nine. Hey, 9. Oh, 9 1/4. 9 1/4. Yeah, not a bad straight line. Good day. Let's get this up. I don't need my glasses. I don't need my ears. Let's go. Sweet. This is. I don't know what else I'm gonna do once I'm done building my garage here. I'm gonna expand out on that. Next thing I'm gonna do. Okay, my screws. This is great. Finally, I put these up here to keep the tarp from getting ate up by the beam. And the last one. Awesome. Got something. Hold it right here. And the tarp comes down. Who's that? Washer. Alright. And the tarp goes down. I think we're gonna get wet. Okay. Getting some wind. Alright. See if that under, and I want that under that. Oh, what'd you do? I got ahead of myself. Why? Get me over here. Dude, get my hand under there. Jump over there. What the heck? Yeah. What is my malfunction here? I'm gonna get wet in a minute. That's not my plan. Move that. Alright. Okay, take it out here so it's flush. Weird flush. Oh yeah. It's coming. I think I'm ahead of it just a little bit. Huh. Unaware. There we go. Huh. Why not with more screws and yeah. I know make that happen. Okay. And this is gonna go right over the edge here, like I wanted it to. Press them too. Okay. Let's see. Aye. Yeah, sweet. Let me do it, but I gotta keep my something on that. Ow! Ah, my finger on it. Did it go in? Yeah, did. Okay. Sweet. It's a nice start. Get it bent under there. Yeah. Get it all bent down. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, babe. What tree? No? What are you talking about? Hey, whore?
See this? We broke our rig.
Oh, great.
Can you